All right, hi parents. So we just wanted to make this video really quickly to show you how to access the Nearpods. This is something new that we've added in for the 5 senses. And if you look at today's slide and you advance past the Haggerty slide, the ELA slide, this extra practice with the letter that we learned today, the math slide, you'll get to the listening and learning. And if you find your child's teacher, you're going to just hover over it. You're going to click it, but before you click it, write down this code because you're not going to be able to copy and paste it in. And then once you've written it down, you're just going to click your child's teacher's name, and it will bring you to this spot right here where it says join a session. And this is where you're going to type in that code. So 9LAI2, and you click join. Once you've joined, it should have your child's name right here, and you're going to hit join lesson, and it will give you the lesson for that day. So this is a lesson on the sense of sight. So this has the I can statement. If you push down here, you'll be able to hear it read to them.
I can describe the sense of sight.
Once they've listened to that, you're going to advance to the next one. Here's the vocabulary. Again, if you push down here, it will read through and have somebody explaining what each of the vocabulary words is or are.
Hi boys and girls. Here are our vocabulary words for today's lesson.
So I'm going to stop there. Once you've listened to all of them, you're going to hit this next one, and it will open up to the story for that day. All they have to do is push play, and you'll listen to the story. When you're done, you advance to the next one. And here's where you're going to show your work to show us that you've listened to the story. So right here it says, what should you do to keep your eyes safe from harm? Please record your answer. Now, if you aren't able to read that to your child, you can show them that if they push this play button right here.
What should you do to keep your eyes safe from harm?
Okay, so it will read them the question. When you're ready, all they have to do down here is push this red button, record an answer, and then they're going to hit submit. And that answer will be sent over to all of the teachers.
Thanks.